Hey, if you want to download and install drivers for your GeForce 3070, all you have to do is just to open the browser, then open this nvidia.com website, that's official Nvidia website, where you can get drivers. Then you have to click on the right upper corner on this drivers icon with the left mouse button, and from here we can find the Nvidia driver downloads. So now all you have to do is just to set up the product type. In my case, that's the GeForce. The product series, so for sure we are looking for the GeForce RTX 30 series, but remember, if you are using a laptop you will have to select notebooks, so that's very important. In my case I'm using normal PC, so I'm picking this series and pick the product. So for sure we are picking RTX 3070. If you are using TI, just pick TI. Then we have to pick the operating system, the download type, so game ready driver or studio driver. Click on this icon if you don't know what is going on with the drivers for the game or studio. In the most cases you will have to just simply get the game ready driver and pick the language. Now click on search. From here we can find the latest version for the drivers, the release date, supported operating system, so as you can see it's only supported for the Windows 10 and 11, language that you actually select previously, and the file size. Then click on the download button, and after reloading the website, just do this one more time. Now click to download the downloads location, and as you can see, after the download will finish, you will get this icon, so you will have to click on it 2 times with the left mouse button and follow on screen instructions and simply step by step install your drivers. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.